Hey guys, it's me Damien. And do you know where I am right now? Well, actually, I'm in my dad's truck. And actually, I'm going to give you a little tour of the truck. First, I'm going to start with the interior. Right here, you get the steering wheel. Actually, it's back as soon as you want it. If you can see that, let me just zoom in. Right there it is. And then there's the gauges. And there's my brother. There's my brother. And there's a deck. All the manual stuff. There's the brakes. Here's the key. I don't know if you can see that. Right, here's the key.
What the hell? Damien! Get off from inside right now. Inside is not a play. Out!
And there's
Bring the key from it.
there's
Now you
the
can pick up all them blocks before I throw it in the bed. Right now. Close that door.
there's the pedals. There's the pedals and there's a clutch. And you have to put it 2 times and then here's how to close it in. Right. So there's an MGW. I hope you can see better. Right, MGW it's 5200 K.
Oh madness, you really do it?
There's the other.
Daria.
There's indicators. Actually, as you can see,
Well, let me come in the back
there's
there.
LED. There,
Them up and go and put them in.
actually, it came like with the number plate, and there's the LED on this side. Oh, look, when you pull this, you pull it. Right, and here's a bit of music. If you want to see a tray, hold on a minute.